In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use masks in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll understand how to hide and reveal parts of your image non-destructively using a simple, reliable workflow. Masks are powerful because they never throw anything away. They only control what you see. That means you can fine-tune your edits at any time without damaging the original pixels. First, get into your working environment with the image you want to edit open and visible, and make sure you can see your layers panel on the right. This keeps everything you do organized because masks attach directly to layers and follow them wherever they go. Next, go to Pixel View at the top. This ensures you're previewing your image as true raster pixels. It's especially helpful when you care about crisp edges, hair, or small details because it shows exactly how your adjustments will render. If you notice any softness or aliasing, switching to Pixel View gives you a more accurate read on what the mask will actually reveal. Now, choose the Selection Brush tool. With it active, paint over the subject or area you want to keep visible. Think of it like telling Affinity Photo, "This is the part I care about." Adjust your brush size for control. A larger brush speeds up broad areas, a smaller one helps with corners and tight edges. If the brush grabs too much, simply paint more carefully along the boundary to refine the edge. Zooming in helps you judge transitions, and a soft-edged brush is often kinder to hair, foliage, or fabric. When your selection looks good, click Add Mask Layer on the right side in the Layers panel. Instantly, the selection becomes a mask on your active layer. White areas on the mask reveal your selected content. Black areas hide everything else. The beauty here is flexibility. You can always refine this later by editing your selection and updating the mask, giving you pixel-precise control without ever erasing a thing. That's the core workflow. Get set in your workspace, switch to Pixel View for accuracy, make a clean selection, and convert it to a mask. Simple, non-destructive, and completely adjustable.